online shoppers. I've got a really neat shower shelf that you can install that is ideal for university students who are moving into a room they can't alter, or for people who are renting who aren't allowed to alter their space in any way except for just things that are on the surface. These shower shelves are genius. So instead of having to install them with screws, they actually install with these adhesive hooks. And the hooks come, you get a bunch of packages of them, so you can even move these afterwards. And I have already got a set of these, and what I love is that it's not hard to pull the little adhesive pads off the wall, but boy oh boy do they ever hold a lot of weight. So all you have to do, I don't know if you can see, there's hooks on these pads, and the hooks literally just hook into the back of the shelf. It just slides in just like that, and then it's attached. So all you have to do is adhere this to the wall and then hook the shelf onto the pad, and your shower shelf is installed. So when you get the package, you get 6 of these little adhesive pads that clip in, and you get 2 different shelves. Now you can see the shelves are a little bit different in size. This one here is a little bit bigger. This one here is a little bit smaller, so you can install them, either small one on top or large one on top, depending. And they work really well in a corner, just like this one. So I'm going to show you how easy it is to install, and then you can see definitely if this is something that you would want in your bathroom. So I'm going to start with just one shelf. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to put the clips onto the shelf itself. Now they fit both sizes of shelf. And something else that's really neat is you can actually see these after the shelf is installed, so it looks really clean. And if you ever have to take the shelves off, all you have to do is literally lift the shelf off the adhesive pad and take this off the wall. And as I said before, I have another set of these, and I had them installed in my kids' bathroom, and I needed to move it because they found that they were always bumping their elbow on it. So all it was a quick little peel off the wall, no marks on the tile or on the tub surround, and then I just put it wherever I wanted it to go. So this is how I installed it the last time. I put the adhesive pads on, and I took the sticky protector off the back. So I just peeled the plastic off the back like that, and off the back like this. Now, like I said before, this is so good if you're moving into an apartment and you're not allowed to alter the space in any way. So I put them on and made sure they were clipped in nice and firm, and I looked to see where I wanted it. And all I had to do was just get it in to place and push it into place just like this. Actually, after I got it lined up, I just took the shelf off, gave it a really nice firm push like this to make sure it was well sealed to the wall. Do the same thing with this one, give it a good nice sturdy push like this so it's well sealed to the wall, and then all you have to do is clip it into place. It's nice and level, it looks awesome. So let's put some stuff in it and see if it actually holds the way it's supposed to. There we go, what do we got here? Now you can see I've destroyed my shower, but I put a fair amount of weight in here. I've got 3 pretty big bottles, and it's holding it without any struggle whatsoever. I love that I can actually take it off the wall too if I want to clean around. I don't have to worry about getting all awkward. This will actually come right off like this, and I can easily clean, and then I can just clip it right back on as easily as I took it off. Super convenient. This matches really nice with the colors that's in my shower. So I loved how well it coordinated with my decor. I love how modern and crisp this looks. This is like a nice powder coated finish. So in the other one that I have installed, I installed it probably about 9 months ago. It hasn't rusted. It just stays really nice in the shower. It's a wet environment. You would expect maybe it might rust, but these ones definitely have not rusted. The other thing that's really cool is you can even hang your bath puff and anything else that you need, like your back scrubber brush from here. Gives you lots of options for storage. Now remember, you also get 2 of them, so you can also install the next one higher up or lower down if you want to, whatever you feel is convenient. Now, if you are looking for a really great shower shelving system, this one is great. It is powder coated metal. You don't have to worry about water building up in here because it drips right through. Everything dries really nice. Super easy install, and uninstall if you have to, and lots of options. You don't have to ruin your tile, put a screw through your bathtub surround and worry about mold and mildew getting in behind the walls. This just adheres with a really nice adhesive pad that's easy to remove, and they also give you extras. So if after you've removed it, it doesn't stick really well and you want to move it somewhere else, you've got options that give you extras. Super thoughtful design. I've already got this in place in another bathroom, and this one here is definitely a family favorite at my house.
What's up, everybody? Thanks for watching my product review. I really appreciate it. If you want to get your hands on this really great product, I've linked it in the description below. As well, if you want to make sure that you don't miss any other fresh product reviews just like this one, be sure you tap the bell and turn on notifications so that you can get notified every time I post fresh content.